Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. And before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. Now these come provided in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can use a paper clip. And I tried now one on the ends, should work just as well. So once you have it, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the left upper side of the device, as you can see right here. And on the tray you have space for, well, dedicated space for the SD card, and then 2 dedicated spaces for the SIM card. So place them accordingly, make sure that they're laying flush, and then while inserting them, hold them securely. There's nothing really holding them on the tray, so they will fall out easily. From there, put it back in the device and wait for it. There we go. There's the pin for the SIM card. So I'm gonna confirm that. So SIM card obviously is working, and SD card is working as well, as you can see right here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.